key turning and ignition not coming on a Mercedes. Hello, this is George from OGS Mechanics, and we want to tell you something that we see more and more on new Mercedes models built after 2013. This particular one is an A-class. A customer has reported the car with two keys. One of them stopped a while ago, and the second one was playing out quite badly. It took about half an hour to get it started. It was turning off and on several times until he managed to turn the car on, turn the ignition on. So if we come to inside, I'll show you, because what we have done, we have partially fixed it. So what was happening, we obviously now have it stripped because we have checked it, but the problem was, the key was going in, was turning into the ignition. However, no message, the lights were not coming on. Sometimes the message was saying key not recognized. Now, key not detected, sorry. Now, there are two problems on those cars, on the Mercedes. Sometimes the key become defective. Sometimes the ignition switch. Ignition switch is quite a common problem on Mercedes Vito. They do go faulty. Now, luckily, we can repair most of the time both of those items, either the key or the ignition switches. In this particular situation, so far we fixed the key, and now the car is operating. So ignition comes on, and the vehicle starts. The problem with this key, it was water ingress. So what I wanna take, there are a few ideas out of this. Obviously, this key at some point had some water interaction, which they don't go well together. We said several times. Vehicles, electrics in general, and water, they don't go well together. It was a lot of corrosion under the main chip on the board. Luckily, one of our engineers managed to fix it, and the car is started. It works now. Now, the second take that is probably most important, in case we were not able to fix this key, the waiting time to get a replacement, because for those models currently only dealer key can be ordered, and the waiting time, it was about 7 to 10 working days, and sometimes can take even longer. So the take out of it is, make sure you always have a spare, because the waiting time, it can cause you massive inconvenience. And the last take that I want to highlight is that here at OGS Mechanics, we can fix either the keys or the ignition barrel if you have a Mercedes where the key is not turning. So I hope this is going to be a useful video for you to understand a bit about Mercedes. And now you have a name we can call in case of assistance is needed. Thank you very much. Keep watching for more video related to vehicle and repairs. See you.